Good morning, everyone. Have you ever wondered how large companies like Google and Facebook handle the terabytes of data that come through their servers? Welcome, Big Data Analytics. A field so vast we have only been able to scratch the surface, yet compact enough that it can be taught. Better yet, it can be learned. That's where we come in. We are a group of 4 students of data science with an initiative. We hope to bring data science to everyone, making it a viable option for your career. Our videos will be targeted towards undergrad students, postgraduate students, freelancers who are willing to expand their skill set, and even school students who are curious enough about this new industry. Provide an interactive environment, so our emails are in the description below. Like, subscribe and share this video among all your friends so that they can know about this, and let's start the course together.